Hey, if you are using the YouTube mobile app and your comments are not showing, so let me try to fix it. So first of all, you can go into the settings of your phone, then tap on the search pool and type YouTube. Now just open the YouTube app info, and from here click to force stop. So in this way we are going to perform the soft reset of the application, and when I try to open it one more time, it will basically reload. Now try if it works. If you still have issue that is not working, so go back into this settings from here, from the YouTube mobile app, and you have to go into the storage. Now tap to clear cache and tap to clear data. Click here to confirm, and now go back into this YouTube mobile application. Accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen, and now try if it works. And if you still have this issue and it doesn't work, you can go into the Play Store and try the ultimate method, the last one actually. Search for the YouTube and simply try to update, or if you have the latest update, try to uninstall and basically lower the version of your YouTube. And now tell me if it works. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.